Hi, this is BizRap and this is Anupam Sharma. Well, somebody has asked me a question about Kiri Industries Limited stock. Okay. Now, this stock has seen massive jumps from in the last 5 years, from the level of 70 rupees, 70 something rupees, to even it has gone up to 600. Okay. So, well, if we talk about Kiri Industries stock on 8th Feb, when I'm making this video, it closed at 463 rupees. Okay. Now, the thing is that if you're thinking what to do with the stock, to buy it, to keep it, or to sell it, then I would say it depends upon your position. Like at what price did you buy this stock? And at what price, what is your target price? Okay. So if you are a little not sure about the stock, and if your target price has been achieved, then you can sell it. But otherwise, if you are your target price is upper than the current level, then you should hold it. Currently, the market is going through a very what would I say, a bull run. So what happens in a bull run is that some stocks become favorites, and or some sector becomes favorite, and there's a rally in that. And what happens is that some sectors get ignored. Okay, so not that ignored, but they do not perform that well. Okay, so in a rally, what happens is that everyone is like, oh, I should invest in this rally. I have to make use of this rally. Kuch karna hai, I hope this rally doesn't get over and all that. So first of all, I would like to say there is no right time to enter or exit stock market, because stock market always and always looks at the future. It's never, it never looks back. Okay, so you can't say that because yesterday was very good, so tomorrow will be very good, or yesterday was bad, so tomorrow will be bad. So always, when you want to enter the stock market, just enter. Look at what you can buy at the kind of investment you want to make in, and how much you can buy, and be cautious. As I always say, don't put all your money in stock market or a significant amount of money in stock market. Always keep yourself invested with the amount of money that you're comfortable with. Okay, and also decide for yourself. You want to be a short-term investor, you want to be a long-term investor, you want to invest for a mid-term. These things should be clear in your mind. Okay, when you enter the stock market, these are basic things. So any stock that you buy, always be sure till what level you want to hold it, and when you want to sell it, and stay invested. Don't get disturbed by the ups and downs in a day or in a week or in a month. Okay. Now, if coming back to Kiri Industries Limited, now this stock, as I said, has seen a lot of highs and lows in the last 5 years. So currently this is at 473 rupees, and it kind of closed on 8th Feb at 463 rupees. Okay. So what you can do is that we'll just look at the PE ratio. PE ratio is 10.49. 52-week high was 631 rupees. 52-week low was 190 rupees. Okay. Kiri Industries was founded in 1998 and has Dystar Textile Farben GmbH and some more subsidiaries. Okay. So this looks like to be a what do I say? A steady stock. Okay. So if you are in a hurry to sell it, then I don't know at what price you bought. If that price has been achieved, then you can book profit. Or if your target price has been met, then you can of course sell it. If you're looking forward to make more profit on it, then I would suggest you hold it for some time. Okay. And also, I would say that never be in a hurry when you're taking decisions. Always look for at least midterm investments. At least stay invested in a stock for at least 3 years. That is when you can see some changes. Now, what happens sometimes is that by the end of 3 years, this has happened with me also and many other people also, that it is at a low. Okay, when you the price at which you bought it, it is lower than that. So you can't of course sell it. The time frame that you thought about that stock is over, but the price hasn't been, or the target hasn't been achieved. So what you do is you hold it further. Okay, and you will see that it will at least give you back the money that you put in it. This has happened with me. I'm telling you from my personal experience. And actually not the money which I invested in. Actually, I got more than that. So, so what I would suggest is that you hold this stock for some time, watch it, because the market is doing well. And if certain stocks or sectors remain untouched by the rally, what happens is that some ripple effect comes in, and that pushes the stock up. Some policy decisions, some decisions by the management, something affecting the company also make the stock to fall or sudden rise. So some certain things like that happen. So what I would suggest is that you should hold this stock, and in the last 5 days, it has also gone to the level of 487. Then it fell down. Okay. So it's actually it has been now kind of going down only. If we look at the 1 month chart, from 510 on 11th Jan to 463 on 8th Feb. In between there was a rise of 523 rupees on 14th Jan. So don't take a decision on on this thing. If you look at 6 months, August it was at 601. Okay, so hold it for some time. I would suggest that, and also wait. It will rise, or I don't know at what price you bought it. So this is my take on Kiri Industries Limited stock, and I hope you liked it. Do send me your feedback. Next time I'll talk about some other topics which experts have picked up from different industries, be it auto, be it FMCG, be it banking sector, be it infrastructure, be it agriculture. We'll talk about all that in my coming up videos. And do share, subscribe, like my videos, and do share feedback. That is very important. That is helping me, and I want to thank all those people who are sharing feedback, who are telling me what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. Thank you. So please continue to do that. And this is Anupam Sharma signing off, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay well.